Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hi.
Hi,
Hi,
teacher.
Duktang. Yes, good evening.
Yes.
All right, how are you, Duktang?
I'm great.
Oh, you're
Great.
great. That's good that you're great. Did you go to school?
Yes.
What did you do in school today?
Um, I learning
You
history.
learned. You
I
learned
learn
history. Mm-hmm.
I learn history, geography, English, math, music,
Mm-hmm.
PE.
History,
No
geography,
more.
math, music, PE.
Yes.
Oh, that's a lot. What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7 o'clock.
And what time do you go home? Do you come home? I mean.
I came home at
You come home, I
5.
come home,
I came home
come. I come home.
um, I come home at 5 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock? Is it every
Yes.
day? You come home every day at 5 o'clock?
No. Sometimes I
Ah,
go.
I come
Sometimes I go home
home.
at. Sometimes I come home at 4:15.
4:15.
Yes.
I thought you come home at 9 o'clock.
No.
Yeah, you told me last time you come home at
It,
9.
it's extra class. In extra class.
Ah, okay. So you come home at 5 or 4 o'clock. But
Yes.
when do you go to extra classes?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Is it
Yes.
every day? Is it every day or every
Every week
Friday?
in every Friday.
Every Friday only.
Yes.
So your extra class is every Friday only. Ah. So it means you
No. In Tuesday, I learned math extra class.
what time do you learn math?
Say 6:30.
6:30. What time do you finish? Can
Half
you
past
can
eight.
you stop moving? I'm getting dizzy now. So you finish so every Tuesday? Is it every Tuesday?
Yes.
So you have extra class every Tuesday and Friday.
Yes.
Every Tuesday and Friday only. So in the evening of Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, you don't have extra classes.
Yeah. Mhm.
Mm. Okay,
Yeah.
so you're
Yeah.
not.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Mm, 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 mm,
All
mm.
right, Duktang,
Mm.
today is the last day of our class. Do you know that?
Uh, uh, uh,
Do you know
uh,
that it's the last day of our class today? And we will only have 25 minutes. Do you know that? Yes or no?
yes.
Oh, that's very sad. Why are you stopping?
I don't know.
Maybe you'll be very busy. Okay, so do you have homework? Did I give you homework last time? No,
Yes.
I didn't. Are you sure?
I
No, I
did
gave
it.
you homework. It's about discussing whether it's fair to compare movies,
Ah,
actors, or
ah.
music and choose one as the best.
Yes, I do eat. I did eat.
Where is it? Where is your homework?
I send it to you. I send it to you. Yeah.
Have you sent it?
Yes.
No, I didn't. Oh,
Yesterday.
yeah. Sorry.
Yesterday.
Oh, yeah, yesterday. You sent it yesterday. All right, let's check your homework now before we continue our lesson. Can you see the video?
Yes, I can.
All right, let's watch.
Compare movies, it can be unfair because each film has its own unique factors such as genre, funding, production goal, and cultural context. If I can choose, I would choose. If I can choose, I would choose the anime film is Demon Slayer. The film has very nice graphics. Each character is built in great detail, and script is really perfect. I think it's the best film I have seen.
Mm.
Mm-mm.
I'm asking if it's fair. I'm asking if it's fair to compare movies. I'm asking you if it's fair to compare movies. Where is it? I can't see it now. I'll show you. Wait a minute.
Mm-mm.
So this was the
Thank
homework that I sent you last time. You have to discuss whether it's fair to compare movies, actors, or music and choose one as the best. This is it. So I'm not asking which one do you think is the best movie. I'm asking you if it's
you.
fair. Should we or should people compare movies or actors or music and choose one as the best? So the answer is
Mm,
yes or no, and you have to explain why.
it can be not fair.
It can be unfair.
Yes,
Why?
unfair,
Why?
but sometimes it can be fair.
Sometimes it's fair, sometimes it's unfair. Maybe it's it depends on who compares it, right? Especially when people are not the master, or they don't they don't know what they're not the best ones to choose, right?
Yes.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, but you already compared. You said that the best movie that you know is the Demon Slayer.
Yes.
Yeah, because it has the characters
Uh,
are good and the effects are good.
yes.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. Yeah, I haven't watched this Demon Slayer yet, but I think a lot of people are watching it, right? Is it a
Yeah.
movie? Is it a movie or a series?
Uh, a movie.
Oh, it's the movie. So how long is the movie?
2 hours, 30 minutes.
2 hours and 30 minutes. Ah, okay, so it doesn't have episodes. Does it have episodes like episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? Does it have like that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No.
No, it doesn't have episodes, so it's just a movie.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So what is this? What is it about again? I think you already mentioned last time. What is the movie about?
Yeah. Uh, um, um, mm,
I think you
mm,
already. I don't know if you're the one who told me about it, but if I'm not mistaken, it's about people who became demons, right? It's about people who
demon.
became demons, and the demon slayers are finding those people. Is that right?
Yes. Yes.
Ah, okay. All right, I think
Mm,
that is interesting. All right, now we're going to have this one, Duktang.
demons.
Oh no. All right, now we're going to have this activity comparisons. Okay?
Mm,
Comparisons. You're going to complete the sentences with the correct form of adjectives and adverbs. Okay? Duktang, you have to add any other necessary words if needed. Okay, necessary and things needed. All right. Do you understand what you need to do?
Okay.
Can you try number one?
The weather tomorrow won't be cold
Mm-hmm.
as today.
Are you
Cold,
sure?
cold. It won't be freezing cold,
Mm-hmm. You still need to use the word cold if
cold. God,
or change
the
it. Yeah, when you compare things, you can use as or than
it will not be
or more, something like that.
uh, cold.
Yes, number one is the weather
As
tomorrow won't be as cold as today. Yes, that's right. All right, how about number two?
bear,
This is the
bear.
this is the best. Are you sure? Okay,
Yeah.
please read the sentence number two.
This is the. Oh wait.
This is
Oh,
the
this is this is the this is
the
the
this is
best
the yeah, you already answered that. Yes, right, your answer. That's right, that's right. Oh, sorry.
br- do you think is this
Hmm.
more difficult?
More difficult. So do you think this is more difficult than the other tests? Okay. How about four?
It looks okay, but it isn't the most interesting.
Yes, that's right. This book's okay, but it isn't the most interesting one I've ever read. Mm-hmm.
Learn things more easier, more easy or easier. Children
This one is an adverb.
learn things easily.
Are you
I'm
sure?
not very. Yeah.
It should be the comparative adverb.
Okay. Learn things more easy than I do.
Or easy.
Easier.
Hmm. Comparative adverb.
Comparative. Bam.
Oh, what is comparative? What do we use when comparing?
Learn things easier than
No, no.
more easy than
It's an
e-
adverb. It's an adverb.
easily than more easily more easily
Yes, that's right. It's more easily than I do.
more easily.
Yes, that's right.
I have
Mm-hmm.
forgotten, but I but I'm bad. or as worse, as worse, as worse, as JC.
Janice. That's Janice.
Hurry up, can you walk
But
more
I'm as worse.
quickly?
I'm not very good at tennis, but this is but. When you see but,
Um,
it's the opposite. I'm not very good at tennis, but this is the opposite idea. So what should you use?
but I'm not
But
as
I'm
not
not as but I'm
I'm
not very good at tennis, but I'm not. Hmm. Why did you remove
not
number 5?
always is more. But I'm not as bad as JC.
Yes, that's right. But I'm not as bad as Janice. Janice, that's Janice. Janice. Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Hurry
do
up.
you
Can you walk?
do you, you use bags? Do you hmm, do you speak as loud? Speak as loud as Jessica? Hehehe.
As loud? Do you speak as
As
loud as your sister? This is an
yes.
adverb. That's an adverb.
Yamate. As loudly. Loudly as your sister.
Yes, that's right. It's adverb. Can you see? Can you see the difference between the adjective and adverb? Cold is what is it describing? It's describing the weather, right? Cold.
With
The
uh,
best. Which one is it describing? It's
pizza.
describing the pizza, so it's an adjective, right? How about difficult? What is it describing?
Test.
The test, yeah, and it's a noun, right? Noun. They're
Yeah.
describing nouns, so they're adjectives. How about interesting? What is it
The
describing?
ball.
The book.
The
The book is also a
ball.
noun, right? It's also a noun. How about easily? What is it describing?
Easy.
Hmm.
Easily is describing these things.
No.
Oh, nothing but easy that I do is learn.
Mhm.
Learn.
Yes, that's right. It's describing the word learns. Learns is a what? It's a what kind?
Verb.
It's a verb, yes. That's why it's an adverb. The word easily is an adverb, so it describes learns. It describes a verb. So it means we have to use adverb here. All right. How about not as bad?
Not as bad.
What is
A
it
teeny.
describing? What is it describing? It's
Mm,
describing the person, right? It's describing the
yeah,
person. So we are using adjective here. How about quickly? What is it describing? The word quickly.
quickly You walk, walk, walk.
Yes, that's right. Quickly. It's describing walk. How about,
You,
and this should be I.
mm,
And loudly, what is it describing?
now please do the speak. Speak.
Speak. Yes, the speak is what is the word speak? A noun or a verb?
Another verb.
The word speak
Another.
is a noun or a verb?
Yes.
Is it a noun or a verb?
Now verb.
Speak. Yes, it's a verb. That's why we have to use an adverb. Yeah? Because adverbs describe verb, adjective, or another adverb. Okay?
Yours.
All right, so please don't forget. Please read the sentences again. We only have 2 minutes left. Dokta, please read the weather.
The weather tomorrow won't be as cold as today.
Yes, that's
This
right.
is the best pizza I've ever eaten. Do you think
Mm-hmm.
this is more difficult than the other test? This
Mm-hmm.
book, okay, it isn't the most interesting one I've ever read. The less
Red.
interesting
Yeah, this one is red
is
again. This book's okay, but it isn't the most interesting one I've ever read. This is the past.
red.
This is past perfect. Yeah. I've ever read. Okay?
Red. Yeah.
Oh, I have. Oh, this is the present perfect. All right. She she learns.
Learn things more easily than I
Mm-hmm.
do.
6.
I'm not very good at tennis, but I'm not as bad as Jen.
Janice. Mm-hmm.
Hurry up,
7.
can you walk quickly than that?
Mm-hmm.
Do you speak as loudly as your sister?
Yes, that's right. Please don't forget the rules in using adjectives and adverbs. Okay? And how to use the
Okay.
comparative adjectives and comparative adverbs. All right, do you have any questions about it?
No, I don't.
All right, I think that's the end of our lesson.
Uh,
Are you
uh, uh,
have any questions?
no, I don't.
So is this the
Uh,
last day that we will meet? Is this the
uh,
last day of our lesson, Dokta? Maybe
okay,
you can ask
okay.
your mom. Maybe you can ask your mom if you're going to continue or stop. Yeah, maybe we
Yeah,
can arrange your class every Monday, Wednesday, Thursday.
yes,
Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, if you will continue or not, just tell me. All right?
yes.
Okay. I hope to see you again. Goodbye, Duksang. Yeah, thank you.
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.
Bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Thank
Bye,
you.
teacher.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Duksang.